Welcome to my video. This will be a quick tutorial about how to make my tin whistle flat book. This is the file here. It's a Lift the Flap booklet for music theory by my name, C.J. Showalter. This is what it looks like when you open up the PDF. It's got these flaps with all this information on it, and I'm going to show you how to print it. So I've already printed the first page. Now I'm going to print the second page. So let's go to the printer. I have it printed. Now, even though it's a horizontal file, you want to flip it short ways so that it's vertical flip. And then reload the printer and print page 2. So now I've got our paper. Now the first thing we're going to do is trim our margins. I'm going to use this paper trimmer. So trim off the margins is the first step. So this line here is the top. That's where you want to trim. You'll trim about the same amount on all four sides. It's about 1/2 inch. Now what you do is you take your paper and you make the slits. So you have to do vertical cuts from the edges to the inside, stopping at this line on both sides. So I'm going to use my paper trimmer again. But you can easily do this with scissors, no problem. So I just trim it quickly with the top and the bottom and do all of the cuts. Now that all of the flaps are cut, we're going to fold them to the middle line, which is here. Fold all the flaps into the middle line from the top and the bottom. Now I have a very long rectangle. I'm going to fold it in half again, like so. And then I would take a glue stick and glue on the inside to make sure it stays shut, like so. So you have a double-sided flap book with 8 flaps per side. We were able to review it one element at a time, and my kids were 4 and 5, so most of them can't read yet, so it didn't really matter if they could read or not. We were still able to review, and it took us about 10 minutes or so to review the whole flat book, and then they have a nice keepsake to take home if they want to do it at home. And this is one I made earlier that looks so nice in colored paper. So I hope this was helpful for you with your tin whistle.